Hey there! So you're thinking about starting a farm, huh? Awesome choice. There are a few farm animals that are perfect for beginners, and I'm here to help you figure out which ones will suit you best. Let's dive in. First up, chickens. These feathered friends are the gateway animal for most new farmers. They're relatively easy to care for and don't require a lot of space. Plus, you get fresh eggs almost every day. Just make sure you've got a secure coop to protect them from predators. Next, let's talk about goats. Goats are incredibly versatile and hardy animals. They can provide milk, meat, and even help control weeds on your farm. They're also quite social and can be a lot of fun to have around. Just remember, they're known escape artists, so you'll need sturdy fencing. Now, onto sheep. Sheep are great because they offer wool, milk, and meat. They're generally gentle creatures and can be quite relaxing to care for. Plus, they're excellent grazers and can help keep your pasture in check. Just be mindful of their need for good pasture and regular shearing. Another fantastic choice is ducks. Ducks are super easy to raise and are less prone to diseases compared to chickens. They also lay delicious eggs and can help control pests like slugs and bugs in your garden. Just make sure they have access to water, as they love to splash around. Let's not forget about rabbits. Rabbits are quiet, require little space, and reproduce quickly. They can provide meat, fur, and even manure for your garden. They're also a great option if you're looking for a smaller animal to start with. Lastly, consider getting some bees. Yes, bees. They might not be the first animal you think of, but they're incredibly beneficial. They produce honey, beeswax, and help with pollination. Plus, beekeeping can be a fascinating and rewarding hobby. Just make sure you're not allergic and you've got the proper equipment. So, there you have it. Chickens, goats, sheep, ducks, rabbits, and bees are all fantastic options for new farmers. Each has its own unique benefits and challenges, so consider what fits best with your goals and resources. Starting a farm is an exciting journey, and these animals can help you get off to a great start. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your farming adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more farming tips and tricks. Catch you later.